Confused between AWS and Azure certifications in 2026? You're not alone. Choosing the wrong one can waste your time, money, and delay your career growth. In this video, we'll help you decide exactly which certification path is right for you. We'll compare AWS versus Azure based on market demand, certification paths, difficulty, salary, and most importantly, which one you should choose. What is AWS and Azure? AWS, or Amazon Web Services, is the world's leading cloud platform. Azure, by Microsoft, is the second largest cloud provider and is growing very fast, especially in enterprise companies. Both offer certifications that help you build a cloud career. Let's check the market demand for both of these certifications. AWS currently has the largest market share globally, but Azure is widely used by companies already using Microsoft tools like Windows Server, Office 365, and Active Directory. Right finger in simple terms, AWS equals more global opportunities. Azure equals strong in enterprise environments. So your choice can depend on the type of companies you want to work with. Let us now look at a quick certification path comparison. The AWS path has Cloud Practitioner, which is beginner certification, Solutions Architect Associate, Developer Associate, and DevOps Engineer, whereas the Azure path has AZ900, Fundamental, AZ104, Administrators, AZ204, Developer, AZ305, Architect. Both platforms have structured paths from beginner to expert level. How about the difficulty level of these two certifications? AWS exams are slightly more scenario-based and can feel tricky for beginners. However, Azure exams are often considered more straightforward, especially if you already know Microsoft tools. Right finger so, AWS equals slightly tougher. Azure equals easier for beginners, especially Windows users. Let us do a quick salary comparison. Both AWS and Azure professionals earn strong salaries. In India, AWS rolls 6 rupees LPA to 20 rupees plus LPA. Azure rolls 5 rupees LPA to 18 rupees plus LPA. Globally, AWS roles may have a slight edge, but the difference is not huge. Let's look at the learning curve. AWS has more services, which means more to learn, whereas Azure integrates well with Microsoft ecosystem, making it easier for some users. Right finger if you're starting from scratch, Azure may feel easier. AWS gives broader exposure. So, which one should you choose? Here's the most important part. Choose AWS if you want global opportunities, or if you want to work in startups or product companies, or if you want a widely recognized certification. Choose Azure if you are from a Windows, IT admin background, if you want to work in enterprise companies, or if you already use Microsoft tools. Right finger still confused? Start with AWS Cloud Practitioner or Azure AZ900 and then decide your path. Here's a smart strategy. Start with one platform. Get certified. Gain basic experience. Then later, you can learn the other cloud as well. Multi-cloud skills are highly valuable in 2026. The final verdict: there is no better cloud, only what's better for your career goals. AWS equals popular plus global. Azure equals enterprise plus growing fast. Choose based on your background and goals. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. Also check out Certifications Hub, link in the description, for detailed guides and roadmaps.